Welcome back to Sarah's Bites, everyone. Today we're going to be making some delicious potato pancakes, and I actually first tried these years ago when my boyfriend made them for me. So he is the pro at this, and this is his recipe. So I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. It's a super quick lunch idea. I started off by shredding one whole potato, which is going to end up making 2 potato pancakes, and then I just threw in 1 egg white in there, and I left out the yolk. Then go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of fresh onion in there, and then I added 1 more tablespoon of green onion. You can omit those, just depends how much onion you like. And next we'll go ahead and add in our seasonings. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 whole teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And instead of the garlic powder, you guys can also always squeeze a garlic clove in there. Last but not least, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and get everything stirred together. I've even tried adding dill into this recipe before, or like I said, some fresh squeezed garlic. Really anything that you like, you can throw into these potatoes, and they just make for a super quick and simple lunch. Go ahead and hit that like button if you guys are enjoying this video, and thanks to all of you that have been emailing me your recipe suggestions and ideas. I definitely appreciate all the ideas, and it does help me create more recipes that you guys are interested in seeing. Grab your pan and just drizzle a little bit more vegetable oil in there, and we're not deep frying these, so I promise you do not need a lot more oil in here. So you're just gonna grab that potato mixture and you're gonna squeeze it in between your hands, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Just get all that juice and water out because you do want them to be crispy on the outsides. You're shaping them in a way almost as if they were like hamburgers, but we're gonna use a spatula to really push down on those because you do not want that potato to be raw. You want it to be fully cooked, and it does have to be thin enough when you're frying these. I had mine on medium heat for 8 minutes each, and they were actually cooked perfectly inside. It really just depends on how thick you made yours. So if they're a little taller, just either press them down some more to widen them up and make them flatter, or just cook them for a little bit longer. I like to serve mine with some sour cream and a little bit of fresh dill on top. Another good option is with plain non-flavored yogurt. Those taste really well like that as well. But either way, I hope you guys love these, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!